Hi, I'm Mark Pillsbury, editor at Cruising World magazine. We're here in Annapolis at the United States Sailboat Show. We're aboard the new Jeanneau 41 deck salon, and I'm here with Erik Stromberg, the sailboat product manager. Erik, great looking boat. You think you can give us a tour?
I'd love to. Let's go.
Okay.
Down below on the 41DS, the first thing you notice is the amount of light and ventilation that you get. The light is provided as well as the visibility through our big deck salon windows that are down here. We offset a very contemporary interior using a walnut finish, and we use an oak laminate floor, so it has a very nice play on darker and lighter materials you find throughout the boat. Lacquered cabinets, stainless steel fiddles, Corian countertops, so a lot of luxury and a lot of very high-end materials used throughout the boat here on the 41DS. The DS concept allows you to have a giant aft cabin because we raise the cockpit floor in order to create more volume. And of course, on a 41-foot boat, it's very interesting to have an aft cabin that would be similar to what you'd have on a 50-foot boat. Here in the main salon, we have a lot of convertibility. We have a table that goes up and down on an electric leg. We have a nice a galley area, which can be opened and closed depending on whether you're cooking or not. So a sink that folds away, waste bins that fold away, wire racks for bottle storage and spice storage. And we have a nice little nav station desk area that has the ability to have additional appliances in the base of the nav station, including a wine fridge, an extra fridge, or even a freezer. And then we have fantastic storage throughout the base of the seating, which in these areas don't have any particular technical spaces in them, so always the ability to stow lots of things on board the boat. And in the forward cabin, which on this boat is more of a VIP guest cabin, we have a double berth with a little fold-up feature that allows you to read in bed and its own private head compartment. So it's great to invite your guests on board and give them their own space that they can live in while you enjoy the very nice aft cabin. The 41DS is built on the very popular hull of our Odyssey 409, which won the European Yacht of the Year award. The design was done by Philippe Briand. The cockpit area of the boat and the deck was done by Franck Darnay, who's a French designer, who is new to our design team. The idea is to have a very livable cockpit. One of the advantages of the higher cockpit level means that you have very long seating, which you can go right up over in the interior. So you have a big cockpit area with a very nice table, centralized GPS. And as like all of the boats in our ranges, we have all of the main sheet and jib sheet led right back to the helm winches. The helm winches can be powered, and in this case on this boat they are done with the Harken rewind winches, which means that you can sheet in and sheet out electrically both the jib and the main without leaving the helm. So it makes the boat very, very easy to operate. You can see that along the boat, all of the flush hatches that we have provide a lot of light and of course make the boat very easy and safe to move around with on deck. We've kept inboard shrouds on the boat, which is also very important for your forward movement along the side decks, as opposed to many boats now that have them outboard. And on the foredeck, a very large anchor locker and double anchor roller setup.
Well, Erik, thanks for walking us through the 41 deck salon. I really like the new look you got going on the boat. Great. Can you tell us where we can find out a little bit more about it?
Sure, you just surf on over to Jeanneau.com and download all the information on the boat.
Super. Well, thanks an awful lot.